everyone, welcome back. Today I am testing out brand new Primark makeup. I haven't done any Primark makeup testing ever on my channel, so this is new for me as well. And yeah, if you like such videos, please do give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so Primark did have quite a lot of makeup, and to be very honest, it was very confusing on what to buy, what not to buy. So I narrowed it down, and I have foundation, a lipstick / lip pencil, and some mascaras to try on. And yeah, and I also got a brush, but I'll see if I use it in this tutorial or not. So I will now, so I've got my moisturizer, my sunscreen, and my corrector under my eyes already. So I think let's just get on with the foundation. So the foundation I got is this one. It's called the PS My Perfect Color Matte Foundation, medium full coverage, matte finish, and oil free. It's 40 ml, so it's quite a big bottle. It's all plastic though, and the color I have is nude. The Primark I went to didn't have a lot of colors, but this is the one that I think matched my skin tone the most. They didn't have a lot of colors opened in the shop, so they had one of these. I think someone just ripped it open and I just tested that. So the one I have is called Nude, and it is for £3. Okay, so the good thing is it comes with a pump, which is always nice. I'm not really sure how much I will need. So I've taken 2 pumps. It's quite thick, it's not very liquidy, which sometimes I like. I'm not too fussed. Okay, so I'll dot this around onto my face. Okay, so I'm just using my Real Technique sponge to buff that in. So it says it's medium coverage, but I don't think it is. The color I think is okay. It's not too white, I think. And also I'm not really sure if this oxidizes or not, but we'll see. For now, it is going on quite well. It's not too bad. It's not patchy. It's very comfortable. It's like I'm not wearing anything on my face, so that's always a good sign. So this is what one layer is looking like. Not a lot of coverage. You can still see my freckles. It does say medium coverage, medium to full coverage. Okay, let's try one more layer. So I've got 2 more pumps. Okay, so now this is 2 layers, I would say about 2.5 layers on my skin. Again, I don't think this is full foundation, full coverage. It's medium coverage, but definitely not full. But you know what, I'm actually quite happy with that. I don't mind. It is not, it's slightly sticky tacky for now, but obviously I haven't set it, but it's very comfortable. I'm actually very surprised with this. I'm very surprised. Okay, so now I will do the eyes. So I've got a palette from them. I'm just using my eye primer from Urban Decay. So I've got a palette, a smoky palette from them, which retails for £2.50. It is amazing to me how do they make this stuff? It's absolutely amazing. Just setting that with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. So this is what the palette looks like. It's got 9 shades. They are quite tiny, but I mean the swatches are quite nice. Okay, I'm going to start off with this colour, which is like a more taupey colour, and I'm just going to do my crease with this. It doesn't have a mirror, so I'm just using my own. Okay, that blends in really, really well. It's quite nice actually. Okay, so that's the crease done. Use a slightly darker, so I will use this colour, which is like a greyish brown colour. Let's see how pigmented this is, and I'll just use this in the outer portion of my eye and slightly on this end as well. The blue colour over here, it's like a shimmery blue colour, and I will take that all over my lids. Just using my fingers because that's, I find, the best way to pack on more pigment. This one's a bit patchy, but let's see. Yeah, this one's quite patchy, but we will fix that. So let's blend that into the rest of the eyelid. Okay, that is really patchy. Can you see? This is all dark blue, but the rest isn't. So I will use my Real Techniques brush and just pack that on right over here where we need it the most. Much better. To finish this off slightly, I will use this dark black colour. Sorry, I will use this dark grey colour and just use that to line my eyes ever so slightly and take that into the crease. Because I don't usually wear liner, I like taking like dark eyeshadows. Just take this white colour and put that on my under my eyebrow. It's got a slight shimmer to it. It's very light, but it's not that bad actually. It's quite nice actually. Okay, so I am back with my contour, my blush, my eyebrows as well with my L'Oreal one, and with the eyes I have finished the eyes with the concealer as well. So the concealer is not from Primark, but I'll just give you an overview of what I've done off camera. So I have added this colour and this colour in my, and just smudged it in my lower lash line, so I don't want it to be too dark, so I will obviously wear a mascara as well. And then on top in the centre where you can see that shimmer, this is this colour. I am absolutely amazed by this. I mean, if someone told me that this look was from a Primark palette, I would not believe them. It looks high-end, and I am so gonna get more palettes from them. This is absolutely fabulous. Okay, so that I've done. Now I did go a bit crazy over mascaras, and I bought all of the mascaras they had on the day, and these are the 4 beautiful ones. I have one which is called the PS Lash Contour 3D Curl Lengthening Mega Volume. Then I have the PS Aqua Lash Waterproof Lengthening Mega Volume. So I think this is just the waterproof version of this one. Then I have the Smoky Lash Maximum Volume Long Lasting Extreme Black. And then this one is the Volumizing Mascara Lasting Impact. This is the only one that I got in brown because I think they ran out of the black one, but I just wanted to test it. And this brown one, this one retails for £1, which is, I mean, come on, do I need to say anything? £1. This one retails for £2.50, and then these two retail for £2. So today I am going to use this one only because it's a smoky lash, and I think it just ties in with the smoky eye. So I'll just use this one. Okay, so this is what the wand looks like. It's very fat and chubby, and it looks like it's the fiber one, so it's not a plasticky wand. It has a slight scent to it, but I think every mascara does, doesn't it? Okay, so let's try this. I will do a separate video where I will compare all of these mascaras, so stay tuned for that. Okay, this is really grabbing onto all the lashes, which I actually like. It's not a plasticky one, so if you are the kind of person who doesn't like plastic wands, then this is definitely for you. So this is one layer, not the most amazing, but we will judge when we go on to 2 layers. Okay, so this is 1 layer for now. It's not too shabby. I mean, okay, it's not a lot of volume, it's not a lot of length, but for the price I think it's quite nice. So I'll do one more coat off camera and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I'm back with 2 coats now, and I'm not gonna lie, I am really impressed with this. I mean, for the price, it's actually quite nice. I mean, it compares to a lot of my high-end ones and the ones that I rate really, really highly. For lips, I've got one of their lip kits called Thrill Seeker. So this is what it looks like. I think it's like a dupe for the Fenty Beauty one. So I've got Thrill Seeker. It's one of the nudes one. The one that the Primark I went to only had 2 colours. This one and a very dark plummy one. And since I got like a smoky eye, I thought I would get the nude one. So it has a matte lipstick liquid and a lip liner, and it retails for £3. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so this is the lip liner. It is drying, but I don't mind that actually. I like drying lip liners. The only is the colour is like, it's like I know it's a nude lip liner, but I'm just used to having dark lip liners, so we'll see. And then the lipstick has like sweet tea scent to it. It's not too bad. So let's see. Not the best kind of lipsticks colours I like. It is very different to what it shows on the packaging. I mean, it looks like a greyish colour, and then on the lips it looks like a pinkish brown colour, and even on the packaging, I mean, it looks like a pinkish brown one, but it's actually very I don't know, it's very orangey red. And it's also very drying, and it's already dried on my lips. So I don't know, sometimes these colours, they dark down as they go on, but as a whole I am really impressed. And this is the finished look. I am absolutely amazed with Primark's makeup, especially the eye kit that they have. This is absolutely amazing. I will definitely go out and buy more colours if they have them. The colour payoff is amazing. I mean, the mascara is very nice as well. And yeah, I absolutely love this. Please do give this a big thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.